Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we create blocks in AutoCAD. To create blocks in AutoCAD, what you have to do is, first of all, we have to learn that what the block does. The block does is that as you can see, these rectangle line and this written text is different. We can select them different. Like if we want to select, so we cannot select them all until like this. So but when we create blocks, it will be converted into a single block. So what you have to do in this case is you have to type bl blo. So this will be the command block block, and you have to type give the name. So I'll give the name equipment over here. I'll type equipment, equipment. I'll just select the no object selected. So I'll just select the object like this. I'll press space or enter, and now I will create the block like this, and I'll just check this if I want to change something. So it will create a block editor. So now I will, and I will check this will be automatically check allow exploding. If you don't want to explode, so you can uncheck this like this and just create block. So as you can see, now my block is created here, and just press save this and close. As you can see, now it is converted into a single block, and now I can move easily. As you can see above this, it is not separated, it is in a single block. So now another ways you can select this like this, type block, press space or enter, and give the name MSP, and uncheck this if you want, and create block. Now you can see the block is created. This is the way you can create blocks. If you want to create multiple blocks, you can create like this also. Type block blocks. As you can see, these are all converted into a single block. I will explode this. You can create separate blocks every time like this. Just give the name inv, just create block. For ACD, we will type BLO block. We will give the name ACD. For junction box, BLOCK, and I'll type JB for this. So this is the way you can create blocks for better use. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.